Imagine spending 9 months underwater. No more air, no more breathing, yet growing perfectly healthy. This is exactly how every human life begins. A baby develops inside the womb, completely surrounded by fluid, with lungs that are not yet working. Today on MedLifeLink, we'll answer these questions using real medical science, step by step. We'll explore the incredible biological systems that make this underwater existence possible, from a temporary organ that acts as the baby's life support to a special type of blood that acts like an oxygen magnet. It's a concept that can be hard to grasp, since breathing is so fundamental to our own survival. Oxygen from the mother's bloodstream crosses the placenta and enters the baby's bloodstream, providing the fuel needed for growth and development. At the same time, waste products like carbon dioxide, which are the natural byproducts of the baby's metabolism, leave the baby's blood, cross the placenta, and are transferred back to the mother's circulation. And the baby's blood do not mix directly. So, how does this life-giving connection between the placenta and the baby actually work? The link is the umbilical cord. This cord is far more than just a simple tuba. It's a highly specialized lifeline. The umbilical cord contains 3 distinct blood vessels, one large vein and 2 smaller arteries. This structure is key to the entire system. This is the supply line. Conversely, the 2 umbilical arteries are responsible for carrying the oxygen poor blood. It's a constant, uninterrupted exchange that ensures the baby has everything it needs. A baby's circulatory system before birth, known as fetal circulation, is fundamentally different from that of an adult. It's a system specially designed for life in the womb, where the lungs are not functional for breathing. It uses special pathways, or shunts, that divert most of the blood away from the lungs. Another one of medicine's most fascinating discoveries is a substance called fetal hemoglobin. To understand its importance, we first need to know what hemoglobin does. However, fetal hemoglobin is structurally different from the adult hemoglobin that we have. This difference gives it a unique and crucial property. It binds the oxygen much more strongly. Think of it as an oxygen magnet. Without this special adaptation, the transfer of oxygen in the low-pressure environment of the placenta would be far less efficient. Fetal hemoglobin is gradually replaced by adult hemoglobin in the months following birth. Obstetricians can even see these rhythmic movements on an ultrasound scan, and their presence is considered a very positive sign. This triggers a rise in carbon dioxide in the baby's blood, which stimulates the brain's respiratory center, and the baby takes its very first breath. So, to summarize, the baby doesn't breathe in the traditional sense while in the womb. Instead, it relies on an intricate and flawless life support system. The lungs, while developing, are in a preparatory state, practicing for their future role.